Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I am going to tell about tenses. Okay, so everyone keep in mind that this topic is very useful for not only this TET and DSC students, and it will be useful for the students who are studying degree and all, and even for competitive exams also. This topic is very important. So keep in mind and learn carefully. Okay. So everyone knows that tenses are of three types. First one is present tense, second one is past tense, third one is future tense. So before going to learn these three tenses, everyone should know about the structures, because if you know the structure, then it will be very easy to learn. Okay. So now in this video I am going to tell about the present tense and its structure and also its types. Okay. So the structure of present tense is subject plus V1 plus object. And next past tense, its structure is subject plus V2 plus object. And third one is future tense and its structure is subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. So you can see in common, like in each and every tense you can see subject and you can see verb. Okay. Here you can see, and last you can see the object. So in each and every tense you can see commonly subject, verb and object. Okay. So what is subject? Subject means the person who is doing, means who is performing the work. That person is called the subject. Okay. And next one is verb. Verb means nothing but the action. Running, reading, writing, drinking, all actions come under this verb. And the third one is object. Object means it's a continuation and is the last part of the sentence. Okay. So these are about the three tenses. Okay. First tense is present tense. So just keep in mind that every tense means present tense, past tense and future tense. Each and every tense is divided into 4 subtypes. Okay. Present tense 4 subtypes, past tense 4 subtypes, future tense also 4 subtypes. Now I am going to tell about present tense. So what is the first subtype here? Simple. Simple means simple present tense. Okay. Next present continuous. Next present perfect tense. Next one present perfect continuous. Okay. Okay, the first subtype is simple present tense. So, what is the structure of simple present tense? Here you can see 2 structures. What are these 2 structures? This is the first structure, this is the second structures. Okay, both you have to keep in mind. The first structure is subject plus V1 plus object. And the second structure is subject plus V1. And in the bracket you can see SRES. What is this? Means you have to add SRES to the verb. Okay, and the last one is finally we are having object in common. Okay, so we can just now we see the first structure, subject plus V1 plus object. So when we have to use this first structure? When in the sentence, for example, if I want to start the sentence with I, we have to use this structure only. Okay, not this one. And again, if I want to use the sentence with we have to use this one only. And again, if I start with they, I have to use this structure only. And again, if I am starting the sentence with you, then I have to use the structure this only. Okay. Means I, we, they, you. For these 4, we have to use this structure only. Okay. And you can see plural also. What is this plural? Means when the subject is plural, then we have to use this structure only. Okay. And coming to the second structure, what is the second one? Subject plus V1 SRES plus object. Okay. So when we use this structure for he, she, it and for singular, means when we are starting the sentence with any of these, he, she or it, anyone, we have to use this structure only. Okay. And coming to the last here, again we can see the singular. What is the singular? When the subject is singular, we have to use this structure only. If the subject is plural, this structure. If the subject is singular, this structure we have to use. Okay. The first tense is simple present tense. Okay. Two structures I told you. Subject plus V1 plus object. Subject plus V1 SRES plus object. Now let's see the examples. Okay. If you see these examples, then you can understand it very easily. The first one is I, we, you, they read a book. You can see this example. So, what is this example? Is this example is written according to the structure? Now, let's see. Okay. So, what is the subject here? We can write any subject. I, we, you, are they. Okay. And which one form we have to use here? V1. V1 we have to use, right? So, read is a V1 only. That is correct. And the final one is object. What is the object here? A book. This is the object. So, this one is written according to the structure only. Okay. Now, let's see the another example. What is this one? Students read books. Now, is this written according to the structure? Now, let's see. What is the subject here? Students. And read is V1. And what is the object here? Books. So, these two examples are written according to the structure. Okay. So, if you see like these examples, you have to identify that this is a simple present tense. Okay. Now, this is over. And the second structure is subject plus V1 SRES plus object. Now, let's see the examples. Then you can find it very easy. So, what is the subject here? He, she, it. Means any subject if you write, we have to use SRES to the verb. Okay. Now, what is the subject here? He or she or it. Anyone. And the second one is V1 SRES. So, what is the verb here? Drink. Have we added SRES? Yes. We have added S here. What is the last one? Object. What is the object here? Milk. This is the correct one. Now we have written according to the structure only. Okay. And the second example is student reads a book. Now let's see the structure. What is the subject here? Student. What is the verb here? Read. Have we added SRES? Yes. I have added S to verb. Reads. Not read. Reads. Okay. Here also drinks. Not drink. And the last one is object. So what is the object here? A book. Now this is about the simple present tense. Okay. And one more thing also, you just keep in mind that whenever we have written every day, every week, regularly, daily, okay, like these words, when we see in any sentence, we have to identify that the sentence belongs to simple present only. Okay. Yes. So in this video, simple present tense is over, right? I hope you understood it very easily. Now in the coming video, I am going to explain the next subtype, that is present continuous. Okay. If you don't want to miss all these videos, what you have to do? Just subscribe to my channel. Okay. Then you can see all my videos. For any doubts also, just you can comment in the comment box. Okay friends, thank you for watching.